It is 3 in the morning and you're staring at the ceiling. Your stomach is in a knot. It is that fog of financial fear. Stop for a second. Does that sound familiar? You're running your business based on a gut feeling. You're guessing. You're living in a state of financial chaos and you have convinced yourself it is okay because you are not a numbers person. And that's a lie. And that lie is costing you a fortune. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix it with a 15-minute system that replaces that 3 a.m. panic with a single actionable data point. No complex software, just control. We are going to walk through a clear 3-step blueprint. First, we will find your engine's power. Second, we will find its drag. And third, we will find the fuel. Let us get started. That feeling of chaos, I know intimately. I once signed for a car loan for 18% on a bright orange Chevy Cobalt. 18%. I felt that hot wave of shame and I knew I was going to be taken advantage of. That 18% was not an interest rate. It was a penalty. It was a tax on what I did not know. It was the high price for my lack of clarity. So here's the hard truth. You're paying that same 18% clarity penalty on your business right now. And you call it late fees or tax overpayments or that one bad client you cannot fire because you are terrified of the cash flow dip. Hey, I get it. So, are you ready to start paying it? That 18% lesson was a catalyst. It is the moment I learned the lesson that defines this channel. That grits get you started, but systems get you free. Here I was, a CPA, and I was just still trapped in the chaos. My expertise did not matter because the problem was not a lack of knowledge. It was a lack of systems. This is a system. It takes 15 minutes. Grab a pen, and we are going to do this together right now. All right. This is a standard profit and loss statement. Do not let your eyes gaze over it. We are going to ignore 95% of it right now. You only need 3 numbers. We are going to find them in 60 seconds. Watch. The first one is revenue, cost of goods sold, and the gross margin. Okay? The gross margin is total revenue, the money that came in, minus cost of goods sold, all of these expenses right here related to the sale. One minus the other, revenue minus cost of goods sold equal gross margins. That gross margin right there of $175,000 or 70%, that number tells you that if your business engine is actually profitable. Okay, so we found our total revenue and we found the cost of goods, one minus the other. This is going to be the first number that you want to know. Step 2, find your drag. This is your operating expenses. This is the cost to keep the lights on. Your rent, your software, your admin team. So right here, it's the total. The total of these expenses, this is just to keep the lights on, keep the business going. So the third number that we're going to find, it's not here. We're just going to make an assumption, okay? That in your bank account right now, if you pull your bank statement, has $50,000. Ooh, good day. So the bank account is the fuel, right? It's the cash. We're going to find that cash runway. Take that cash number, the $50,000, and if you divide it by your monthly operating overhead from step 2. So remember that this is the total operating expenses for your business of $104,550. If we divide that number by 12, that number is $8,712.50. So cash on hand, the $50,000 divided by that monthly overhead equals your cash runway. That single number, that is what replaces that 3 a.m. fog. It's not a guess. It's a fact. And with this one number, You move from being a victim of your finances to being the operator of your machine. Look at what we just did. We didn't build a complex forecast. We built a dashboard. Power, revenue, drag, cost of goods, and fuel, your cash. That is the entire system. Your transformation from chaos to control begins right now. This is action over theory, guys. So here's your challenge. I want you to commit to one thing in the next hour. Log into your P&L or in your bank account. I want you to find your cash runway number, just that one. Then I want you to come back here and comment below with the word done. You don't have to post your number, just post done to hold yourself accountable. Do not just watch this video, do the video. Find your number. Let's get to work, guys.